China has become a major player in the global economy. Its growth has been impressive for decades. This ascent has brought both opportunities and challenges. One major challenge has been trade tensions, particularly with the United States. The trade war, marked by tariffs, began in 2018 during the Trump administration. It continued under the Biden administration. These tariffs are taxes on goods traded between the two countries. They have had far-reaching consequences. The trade war between the US and China escalated over several years. In 2018, the Trump administration imposed tariffs on billions of dollars worth of Chinese goods. China retaliated with tariffs of its own. These initial actions triggered a series of back-and-forth measures. In 2025, further tariffs were added by the US, targeting even more products. The impact of these tariffs has been significant. They have disrupted supply chains, increased costs for businesses and consumers, and slowed global economic growth. The uncertainty created by the trade war has also weighed on investment and business confidence. The tariffs imposed by the US and China have had a ripple effect on global supply chains. Companies that relied on components or finished goods from China have had to adjust. Some have absorbed the higher costs, others have sought alternative suppliers in other countries. This shift has created both winners and losers. Some countries like Vietnam and Indonesia have seen an influx of investment and manufacturing activity. This is because companies are looking for alternative production hubs. However, the overall impact on global trade has been negative. Faced with these challenges, China has pursued a two-pronged strategy. First, it has sought to boost domestic consumption. The goal is to reduce its reliance on exports. This involves increasing wages and providing social safety nets to boost consumer spending. Second, China has continued to invest heavily in technology and infrastructure. This includes areas like artificial intelligence, 5G, and renewable energy. The aim is to become a global leader in these key sectors. This will help drive future economic growth. Section 5. The Belt and Road Initiative. Reshaping global trade. China's Belt and Road Initiative is another important element of its economic strategy. This ambitious project involves investing in infrastructure projects around the world. The goal is to connect China more closely with Asia, Africa, and Europe. While the initiative has the potential to boost trade and development, it has also drawn criticism. Some see it as a way for China to exert its influence on other countries. Others worry about the environmental impact of some of the projects. Section 6. Ripples across the globe. Impact on other nations. The trade war and China's economic transformation have had far-reaching effects. Countries like Vietnam and Indonesia have benefited from companies diversifying their supply chains. However, others have been negatively impacted. For example, Israel, with its close ties to both the US and Chinese economies, has experienced market volatility. Israeli investors have become more cautious, shifting some investments from foreign stocks to the local market. This reflects the broader uncertainty in the global economy. Section 7. The U.S. response, navigating economic uncertainty. The U.S. economy has also been affected by the trade war. While some domestic industries have benefited from reduced competition, others have been hurt by higher costs and reduced demand. The U.S. government has implemented measures to support industries affected by the tariffs. However, the overall impact on the U.S. economy has been mixed. Some experts argue that the tariffs have hurt economic growth and cost American jobs. Section 8. A future intertwined U.S.-China trade relations. The future of U.S.-China trade relations remains uncertain. While there have been efforts to negotiate a trade deal, tensions persist. The two countries are likely to remain economic rivals for the foreseeable future. This rivalry will have profound implications for the global economy. It is crucial for both countries to manage their competition responsibly and to find ways to cooperate on shared challenges. Section 9. Conclusion: navigating the global economic landscape. China's economic rise has reshaped the global landscape. The trade war with the US has created both challenges and opportunities for countries around the world. As we move forward, it is essential for nations to adapt to this changing landscape. This will require a combination of domestic policies that promote innovation and international cooperation, to maintain a stable and prosperous global economy.